everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Invest in High-End Projects in Istanbul with your investment guide Atul Sabi. Today we are in the district of Nisantasi at our project Nisantasi Koru, and we go to why this project can be a good opportunity for all of kind investors based all around the world, and why it can be one of the good places for you to live with your family. So, I believe you have seen the view. Now, let's talk about the project itself. Our project name is Nisantasi Koru, based in the heart of Istanbul. Okay, so why you should invest here, why you should come here, why you should relocate your family from all around the world, because why it is important. This is the most important thing as an investment expert and as an investor for all of you. Our project is 23,000 meters square and we have just 160 units. 1 bedrooms and the penthouses, unfortunately they are already sold out, so we have options of 2 bedrooms, 3, 4. Starting price is $3 million up to 10, 11, 12 million dollars. It depends upon the view, upon the floor and all these things, So if you really wanted to come here, if you really wanted to live in a 7-star concierge service unit apartments, I believe this can be an opportunity for you. So after this, let's walk around into this apartment and then we'll discuss further details. By now, I have believed you have seen this 4 bedrooms apartment with this private pool with this phosphorus view. And if you are thinking about the price tag is just $8 million. Yes, you heard it correctly. If you wanted to live here or if you wanted to invest here, I believe this can be an opportunity for you. Or else, if you are looking for the citizenship, this project, these apartments, they are all eligible for the citizenship. We have no issues about the expertise because the project belongs to the government. So my lovely families and my lovely investors from around the world, I believe you are with me till the end of the video. You have seen the project, you know about the location and the most importantly about the price. And if you wanted to come here, live in Nisantasi, live in this project, invest in this project, then I believe you should not wait because we have a limited opportunity, limited quantity of units, and you can contact us and we'll be able to serve you in the most professional manner. And see you all in the next video. Thank you.